Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is all about how to take off your stock head unit in your Toyota 4Runner. You may want to do this for multiple reasons: hooking up an amplifier, extra wires, the OEM Audio Plus system, or in our case, we are replacing this with a newer and hopefully better head unit. This video is just going to be a step-by-step video on how to easily take this out, and I will have links to the other videos in an audio playlist down in the description for you all. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off these plastic shrouds for the AC turn dials. It's going to be the same on this side and that side. And just pop out. So you don't really need the plastic removal tab. Just be very, very careful when you do remove it and make sure all your plastic tabs are still in place. So once you have both sides out, just go ahead and take one of these sides. This starts to pull out, like so. And then you'll just have to disconnect it right here. Now once that AC component is removed, it unveils these four 10mm bolts. Just go ahead and remove them. And then once those are out, you should just be able to pull the head unit out. There you go, just a little bit of wiggling. Don't yank it out, okay? Because you have wires in the back that you obviously need to unplug. So just go ahead, reach around back, and unplug all the wires. All these have little tabs to remove them. Yeah, you can see that. And be careful right here. As you can see, the harness is tabbed in. And that, guys, is how you take it out. And that's the new one that I'm putting in. They look similar, right? But that has a 9-inch touchscreen, and that's hopefully going to be very, very awesome. So now, just depending on whatever brackets you have and whatever doubled in radio you have, you would just transfer everything over from this to the new trim piece and whatever you have and connect it. If you have to splice in wires, you would splice in wires. My particular kit came with all the plug and play harnesses. If this video was helpful for you guys, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you guys are new around here, please feel free to subscribe, and I will catch you all in the next video. All right, see you later.